Okay, so what we are doing here is today is what date? 7th? Yes, it's 7th July 2019, and we are doing Vedic Maths, okay, with T3 batch, T2, T3 batch. Am I right? Yes. Okay. So as we discuss that we are going to talk about some of the basic calculations in this class through which your speed will improve. So I have given you one question which is based on addition because everyone has studied addition. तो ये feasible होता है कि addition से start किया जाए. And I assume that not many of you are comfortable with maths so that you can score really good in that. So let me give you one question 37694 548 837 685491 736548 668577 3999193. I asked to add these numbers and give me the answer. Okay, so I could see many of you have got different answers. Yes, and the best part is everyone has used a different method to get the answer of it. Some of you write down whole number, most of you, and some of you just did the mental calculation and then write down the answer. You know, this is the similar thing which is happening there in the exam. Every student is knowing everything. But how do you solve the question matters the most. Moreover, even after knowing the same thing, even after attending the same classes, everyone is also getting a different answer. And this is something that we studied in a very lower classes. Second, third, I think school started teaching the addition and subtraction. So you can see the thing which is taught there in second, third class, or which is expected to be answered by a second, third standard of a student. Where do you start? Okay, so let's try to learn a new method. I say that numbers that we know are only from 0 to 9. We are using decimal number and the digits that exist for us are lying from 0 to how much? 9. There is no number beyond 9. The minimum number is 0 and the maximum number is 9. Some of you may say, what about 10, sir? 10 is not a digit. It is a combination of two different digits, that is 1 and 0. So what we will do is, we will do the addition and we will speak out the unit digit number. And whenever the number is crossing the single digit number, whenever it is crossing 9, I put a slash over it. That reminds me that you have crossed a single digit number. That is the reason why you are putting this. The other reason why I am considering only a single digit is adding 29 with 17 is much tougher than adding 9 to 7. Okay. So what I am doing is 7 plus 3 is coming out to be 0. I am saying 0. I am not saying 10. I am saying 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 6, 6 plus 3 is how much? 9. How much is carry? 2. Because twice I have crossed a single digit number, the carry would come out to be 2. What is 2 plus 4? 6 plus 3, 9 plus 9, 8. 8 plus 4, 2. 2 plus 7, 9 plus 9. The second number should come out to be 8. How many times you have crossed a single digit number? 3. Very nice. So what is 3 plus 9? 2. 2 plus 8, 0 plus 4, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 4, 4 plus 1. How much is carry? 3. Now you need to remember that whenever you are adding something to 9, the number actually drops by 1. If you are adding 7 to 9, just subtract the 7 by 1. What do you get? 6. If you are adding 4 to 9, I'll drop 4 by 1. What do you get? 3. So rather than saying 9 plus 4 is 13, I will say 4 minus 1 is 3. Rather than saying 9 plus 9 is 18, I'll say 9 minus 1 is 8. Similarly, whenever you are adding something to 8, the number drops by 2. Number drops by 2. So for example, I'm saying 8 plus 5. So my dear, what should be the answer? 3. I will subtract this by 2. What is 8 plus 7? What would you do? You will subtract this by 2. What is your answer? 5. What is 8 plus 9? I'll subtract it further by 2. My answer comes out to be 7. Or I subtract this by 1. Same thing you are doing. So whenever something is added to 9, you will drop the number by 1. And whenever something is added to 8, the number will drop by 2. Is that clear? So that will further simplify your calculation. So tell me, what was the carry here? The carry was coming out to be 3. 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 8 is 7 plus 5 is 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 8 is 6 plus 9 is 5. I'll say it is coming out to be 5. Am I right? Yes. How much is carry now? 3. What is 3 plus 7? 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 1, 1 plus 9 is 0. I'll say the carry this time comes out to be how much? 4. 4 times I have put slashes here. So carry is coming out to be 4. What is 4 plus 3? 7 plus 5, 2, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 7, 2 kam karte hain, 5, 5 plus 6, 1, 1 plus 3, 4. How much is carry? 3. How many of you got this answer? None. Okay, the carry was coming out to be how much? 4 plus 3, 7 plus 5 is 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 7 is 5 plus 6 is 1 plus 3 is 4. It is absolutely fine. Yes? Agreed. Chhod diya tha kahin. Would you like to try one more question? Yes? Well, here there was carry one more. Here, this one. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 1, 1 plus 6 is 7. Okay. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 5 is 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 7 is 5 plus 6 is 1 plus 3 is 4. Sahi hai. Absolutely fine. Would you like to take one more question? Let's try it by this way. बहुत बुरा हुआ तो क्या हुआ एक दो बार Now let's change the formula. Rather than putting a slashes, because it may be possible that some of the tests will be online, or why should I waste my time over putting slashes there? What I will use is, as I told you, my mind cannot retain two different numbers. It's difficult for every human being. So what we do is, we are using our finger for the carry. We'll raise our finger whenever there is a carry, and we'll speak out the unit digit number. We'll speak out the unit digit number. Let me give you this case, and we will also cross check our answer through that way. I'll say 3 plus 8 is 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 1. Is that clear? I'm getting 1. How much is carry? 3. Yes. 3 plus 9 is 2, 2 plus 8 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. How much is carry only? 2 carry. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 0, 0 plus 7 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. I'm sure that you must have got the other number as 9. And how much is carry? 2. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 2, 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 2. I'll write 2 and the carry again coming out to be how much? 3. 3 plus 8 is 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 1 is 0 plus 8 is 8 plus 7 is 5. Can I write 5 and carry is how much this time? 3. 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 8 is 7 plus 7 is 4 plus 8 is 2 plus 9 is 1 plus 8 is 9. I'll write 9 and carry comes out to be how much? 4. 4 plus 7 is 1 plus 9 is 0 plus 3 is 3 plus 9 is 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 9 is 6. I'll write 6 and carry will come out to be how much? 4. How many of you got this answer? Very nice. That's your answer. Is that fine? So you can use your finger for the carry. I'm giving you one more question. This time don't put slashes there. Okay, use your finger for the carry. You can jot down the number. I'm not saying don't do that. You'll speak out the unit digit number and you'll raise your finger for the carries. Is that fine? Yes. Would you like to take one? No? Yes. 8, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 8, 5, 5. 897, 0, 163, 287, 595, 867, 552, Sum them. Okay, as most of you have ready with your answer, let's see. What I will do is I'll say 9 plus 3 is 2 or 3 plus 9 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 0 plus 7 is 7 plus 9 is 6 plus 6 is 2. I'll write down 2. How much is carry? 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 8 is 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 6 is 4 plus 8 is 2 plus 8 is 0. I'll write 0. How much is carry? 4. 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 5 is 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 8 is 5 plus 6 is 1 plus 3 is 4. I'll write 4 and carry is 3 just. 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 5 is 4 plus 6 is 0 plus 5 is 5 plus 8 is 3 plus 5 is 8. I'll write 8. Is that clear? Carry is coming out to be 3. 3 plus 7 is 0 plus 5 is 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 9 is 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 8 is 5. Are you getting 5? The carry is coming out to be 3. 3 plus 9 is 2 plus 8 is 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 5 is 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 is 0. I'll write 0 and the carry comes out to be 3. 3 plus 8 is 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 7 is 0 plus 7 is 7 plus 5 is 2 plus 7 is 9. I'll write 9 and the carry comes out to be 3. How many of you got this answer? Oh, almost everyone. I think your answer was also similar. Okay. The rest of you got the same answer? Yes? Very good. You got it same? Very nice. Let's move to the next one. So I'm sure that you will be comfortable with the addition now. One request. Now onwards, whenever you are going to solve any of the addition question, you are going to use this formula. For next 1 week, every day you are going to try 10 to 20 questions over the addition. You'll use your finger for the carry and you will just write down the answer. Will that be fine? And I will take a test in the next class. Next weekend, I will keep my class so that we can have a quick review over it. तो time से आ जाइएगा कि पहले 15 मिनट हम कम से कम टेस्ट ले सकें. ठीक है? Okay. After addition, what we have discussed? ठीक है? क्या पढ़ाया जाता है स्कूल में वैसे? Subtractions. Yes. Subtraction क्या होता है? For example, 7, 9, 3, 2, 4, 5 and 2. Addition, subtraction यही पढ़ाया जाता है. तो I have given you a subtraction question. Is it a subtraction question? No, it is a multiplication question. How could I convert it to a subtraction question? 99,999. You go to a mall and the bill comes out to be 99,999. You purchase an item. So what do? You carry all the change from your home? पड़ोसी से भी मांग के मंदिर से इकट्ठा करके नहीं ना. You pay him 1 lakh rupees and the person will return you how much? 1 rupee. So can I write it as a 10 to the power of 5 minus 1? And I will use the distributive method here. What is the distributive method? A into B plus C is known as A into B plus A into C. Similarly, A into C minus D could be written as what? A into C minus A into D. Very nice. So can I write this number 793,245 into 10 to the power of 5 minus 1? Whenever you multiply a number by 10, what happens? You attach a 0 before it. उसके आगे एक 0 चिपक जाएगा. When you are multiplying it by 100, how many zeros will attach before it? 2 zeros. यहाँ पर क्या होगा जी? यहाँ पर बताइए कितने 0 लगेंगे इसके आगे? 5 zeros will attach before it. Am I right? Minus 1 time of this number, I will say 245, and this is 793. I want to subtract this number. Whenever upper values are 0 and the lower values are non-zero, the first non-zero value is coming here. I will form the summation of the number to be 10 and the rest of the value, the sum should be equal to 9. The rule is very, very clear. Whenever you are doing the subtraction, upper values are 0 and the first value of this is non-zero, or the first non-zero value, you will form the summation of the number to be 10. क्योंकि हमने addition पहले सीखा है, इसलिए हम addition में ज़्यादा comfortable होते हैं than subtraction के. So what should be added to 5 so that it becomes 10? 5. What should be added to 4 so that it becomes 9? I'm not saying 10 now. Yes, very good. So the first combination will be of 10 and the rest of the combination will be of 9. But do consider this, well, it is only applicable whenever upper values are 0. So I'll say, what about this one? What should I write? Very nice. What about this? 6. What about this? 0. And this is non-zero number. It must have given a carry. 7 plus 7 is 14. This is 3, 2, 3, 9, 7. This would be your answer. So you will apply only whenever the upper values are 0. The first combination will be of 10 and the rest of the combination will be of 9. Very nice. I'm sure it is clear to all of you. Pakka. So would you like to take one example here? 6, 8, 4, 3, 7, 9, 4, 1. into 9,99,998. Yes. Last digit of this, unit digit of this is 8. Tell me the answer. Okay, let's check the answer now. What you need to do in this case now is, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of digits will decide how many zeros will attach before it. So how many digits are there? 6. How many zeros will attach? I did not say number of nines. I said number of digits will decide how many zeros. Okay. This should be 6843791. Okay. 6 zeros will attach before it. I need to, because if you look at this become a million minus 2. Am I right? A million minus 2, you are saying I will multiply it by 10 to the power of 6, but I will subtract 2 from it. So I will double this number and then subtract. I will not subtract the same number because it is not 1 less than 10 to the power of 6. The number is 2 less than 10 to the power of 6, so I need to double and then separate it. So tell me what is double of 1, 2, 4. Yes, this is 5, this is 7, 8, 6, 3, 1. Is this the number that you got? Yes. Okay, whenever you are doing the subtraction, upper value is 0, lower value is not 0, 8, 1. It is not 0, so what you must have done here is you have given a carry and this is coming out to be 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 3 is how much? 0. And this is 8, 7, 3, 4, 8, 6. This is your answer. Is that fine? So this is subtraction. You are going to solve it by this method. I'm sure you can practice more questions over it and make yourself comfortable. But this is what needs to be done. I'm further simplifying it. I'm saying the number of digits will decide how many zeros will come before it. The number is 2 less than this whole number, 10 to the power of 6. So you know this is 2 less than 10 to the power of n. I will double and then subtract. Had it been 3 less than, I would have tripled and then subtracted, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's come to the next part. What have we done after subtraction? Kya padha tha school mein? Multiplication. Can I say squaring is also a multiplication? Okay. So I'm telling you a method how to find out the square of a number. So first start with the basic concept. How do you find out the square of a number which is ending with 5? Where the unit digit is coming out to be 5. So क्या method है इसका? तो method सुन लीजिएगा. For example, what is 15 square? पहले बता दो जरा. What is 45 square? What is 45 square? Yes, some of you have already attended the class. Whenever you are squaring a number and a number is very good. Whenever you are squaring a number and number is ending with 5, what you will do is you will take the 10th digit number and multiply it with the next consecutive number. So what comes after 1? 1 2s are attach 25 with it. What comes after 2? The 10th digit is 2. What comes after 2? 3. What is 2 3s are? 6. And attach. Favicol जानते हैं? चिपकाने के काम आता है. 25 चिपका दीजिएगा. Add नहीं करना कुछ. What comes after 4? What is 4 5s are? 0 to 4. And just stick 25 before it. What about 95 square? What comes after 9? What is 10 9s are? And what will you do? 25. What is 115 square? Can I say I will multiply 11 with the next consecutive number, that is 12. 11 into 12 is 132 and attach 25 with it. Bolo. Okay. So you can find the square of a number which is ending with 5, where the unit digit is coming out to be 5, by taking the tens place of that and multiplying with the next digit. Whenever there are two digits coming like in 115 square, I'll consider this whole as a tens digit number. So what comes after 11 is 12. So 11 into 12 will come out to be 132 and you will attach 25 before it. किसी को कोई इसमें doubt दुविधा पूछ लीजिए. No. So squaring is done. ठीक है. So come on, what is 85 square? 8 9 is 70 to 25. What about 105 square? 10 into 11 is 110 and then attach 25 before it. Am I right? Okay. How do you find out the square of number which is not ending with 5? So this formula is only applicable whenever the number is ending with what? 5. What happens when the number is not ending with 5? So for example, if we are talking about 99 square, the method that we are going to talk now is known as a base method. What is that? Base method. So I take a base of 100. What do I take here is 100. The number is 1 less than 100. The number is 1 less than 100. I will take base only those numbers which are in the form of 10 to the power of some number. So for example, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3, all of these are known as a bases with respect to which we compare the numbers. In case of 99 square, I will say that this is 1 less than 100. So closest to this will be 100. I want to find out the square of this, so I would also find out the square of the difference. What is minus 1 different? Minus 1 square? 1. Listen to this very carefully. The number of zeros in the base. The number of zeros in the base will decide how many digits are you going to write. So in this case, my number is 1 less than 100 and 100 is my base which carries 2 zeros. The number of zeros will decide how many digits are to be written there. So 1 square is 1, but I will not write 1, I'll write 0, 1 because I can see 2 zeros in my base. The number of zeros that I see will decide how many digits are going to come there. I know it is minus 1 square is coming out to be 1. I would not write 1. I will write in a 2-digit format. I will write it as a 0, 1. I cannot write it as a 1, 0. Reason is then the number value is changed actually. 10 is different from 1. So what we do is we attach a 0 before it. Now the step 2. The number is 1 less than its base. If the number is less, you need to separate it by the similar value. So it is 1 less than 100. I will separate it further by 1. What do you get? You get 98. Your answer is 9801. It's so simple. Okay. The number is 1 less than 100. 1 square is 1. I'll say write it in 2-digit format. Reason is because my base carries 2 zeros. The number of zeros I see in my base will decide how many digits I'm going to write. And it is 1 less than its base. I will separate it further by 1. Had it been 107 square, पहले तो देख लो बाद में लिखना. The number is 7 more. What is 7 square? I'll write 49. Why? Because I can see 2 zeros in my base. I'll write 49. I will not write 049. No, I will not write 9. If the number is more, what should I do? You will add. Had the number been less, I would have subtracted. Here it is 107 plus 7 is coming out to be kitna? 114. Your answer is 11449. 11449. Let's move to the next one. Look here, please. Some of you will be saying, why you have taken such a large number? Why don't you start with a small number? Sir, इतना बड़ा number लेके क्यों डराते हो शुरू में? 13 का square करके बताते हैं, बड़ा अच्छा number है. 10 से how much is it more? What is 3 square? What should I write? 0, 9 or 9? Why 9? I can see only 1 0. I'll write 1 digit. What is 3 square? 9. If it is more, I need to add it. What is 13 plus 3? 16. Your answer comes out to be how much? 169. Is that fine? Please write it down. Okay. So most of you understood this concept. Now, so far I am talking about the base only in the form of 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3 or 10 to the power of n. But what happens when you find out the square of 19? You would say it is closer to 10, sir. I can say from 10 it is 9 more. What is 9 square? What should I write? 81? 1. Why? I can see only 1 0 in my base. I will write only 1 digit. So what will happen with this 8? This will move as a carry forward to the next term. What is 19 plus 9? 28. And there was a carry of 8. 28 plus 8 is how much? I think the answer is correct. 19 square is 361. Am I right? Now some of you will feel, sir, इतनी दूर दूर जाते हैं उसके बगल में 20 पड़ा हुआ है, उसको क्यों नहीं लेते? So what I can do is I can take twice of 10. Don't write it as a 20. Write it, the base also in the form of multiple of 10 to the power of n. So I'm saying it is twice of 10. Say the number 19 is 1 less. What is 1 square? What should you write? 0, 1 or 1? 1. Very good. I'll separate it by 1 because the number is less. I need to subtract. Had it been more, I would have added. So 19 minus 1 is how much, man? 18. The base is doubled. So what is double of 18? 36. So the number will come out to be 361. How much is number? 361. So 19 square is 361. आपने कहा सर 23 का स्क्वायर निकाल के दिखा दो. तो बेस इज ट्वाइस ऑफ 10. जस्ट वेट, उसके बाद आपको दूंगा क्वेश्चन. What is 3 square? 9. If it is more, I need to add. What is 23 plus 3? 26. And don't forget to double it because the base is also doubling. Don't touch the unit digit number. Just double this portion. So what is 56 ka double? 52. Sorry, 26 ka double? 52. Your answer is 529. Is that fine? Yes. So some questions for you. It is 48 square. It is 57 square. It is 61 square. It is 38 square and 87 square. Find the square of these numbers. Okay, so let's start with 48 square. What should be the base? How would you write 50? Would you mind if I write it as a half of 100? First reason why. I can see 2 zeros. If you remember my words, I never said how many zero comes. I say how many zeros can you see. So in this case, rather than saying 1 0, I can see 2 zeros. The number is 2 less. I'll say minus 2. What is minus 2 square? How many zeros can you see? So how many digits can you write? So don't write 4 as a 4. Write it as a 0 4. If the number is less, don't forget to separate it. 48 minus 2 is how much? Half it. Base is multiplying with half, so is the number. So 46 ka half is kitna? Your answer is 2304. Is that fine? Here the base will be again half of 100. I'll say half of 100. How much is the number more? 7. अच्छा अपना आंसर चेक कर लीजिएगा. आंसर सेम आना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है तुम्हारा अलग आ रहा है मेरा अलग आ रहा है. The method should use, ठीक है, whether with 1 0 or 2 zeros. Are you getting the same answer in first case? No? Are you getting the same answer? Last two? Yes. Okay, what about this? What is 7 square? I'll write 49. Add 7 to it, you will get 64. Half of that. Your answer is 3249. Half of 100 say how much is it more? 11. What is 11 square? 121. I'll write 121 ka 21. 1 is carry. Add 11 to this. 61 plus 11 is 72. Half of that is 36. 72 का half होता है कितना? 36. There was a carry of 1. 36 plus 1 is how much? 37. Don't forget the carry. Are you getting the same answer? Yes, no? Same answer? Okay. What about this? What should be the base now here? Half of 100. The number will be minus 12. What is 12 square? You will write 144. 1 is carry. Separated by 12, you will get 26. Half of that is 13 plus 1 is 14. The number will come out to be 1444. What about this number? What should be the base? 100. How much is it less? 13. What is 13 square? 169. I'll write 69, only 2 digits because 2 zeros are there. 1 carry. Separated by 13, you will get 74 plus 1 is how much? 75. Your answer is 7569. Is that fine? How many of you got the same answers? Very nice. Good. बहुत बढ़िया. So as told you earlier that you need to remember the square till 25. I'm giving you few more numbers. So first is 118 square, 286 square, 307 square, 481 square, 994 square. Find the square of these numbers. Okay, so let's start with this. We are talking about 118 square. My dear, I will not write it as a 10 times of 10. It is 100. Write 100, 1000, 10,000. ठीक है? 1 के बाद जितने मर्जी zero लगा दो आप. So the number is 18 more. What is 18 square? 324. What should I write? 24. I can see 2 zeros. I will write 2 digits. 3 is my carry. Yes, no? Add 18 to it. 136 plus 3 is what? 139. How many of you got this answer? 13924. Very good. 286. Tell me what should be the base? Price of 100. The number is 14 less. 14 square is 196. I'll write 96. 1 is my carry. 1 is my carry. Very good. I'll separate it by 14. 272. 272 into thrice karoge. 3 2s are 6, 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 816 plus 1 is 817. भूल गए कैरी भी था. Yes, कैरी था ना 196 का. The number should be written as a thrice of 100. Is the number less or more? More by 7. What is 7 is square? 49. I'll write 49. Add 7 to it and then triple it. So that comes out to be 942. 94249. What about this? What should be the base? No, half of 1000, my dear. You can see 3 zeros here. चमत्कार होगा. सीधा 3 digit आएंगे. The number is how much less? How much less? 19. What is 19 square? 361. I'll write all the 3 digits. You can cross check it from here. Subtract it by 19. You'll get 462. Half of that. 231. Yes? The number is 6 less than what? 1000. What is 6 square? 36. Subtract by 6. You'll get 988. Answer is 988036. नहीं आया. How many of you got all correct? Very good. नहीं मेथड कुछ भी लगाओ आंसर सेम ही आना चाहिए. ठीक है, but I am trying to simplify it further. So in case of 500 base, I will not write 5 times of 100. As done in case of 50, I was not writing 5 times of 10. I was writing half of 100. I can see 2 zeros. So I can directly write 2 digits. Yes? Is that fine? So this is known as a squaring method and it's known as a base method. Okay. Let's move to the next one. ठीक है, आगे चल सकते हैं. What happens when now the method that I am going to talk about is known as a duplex method. कौन सा method है ये? Duplex. You got tens digit number, you got unit digit number. Whenever you are squaring, the first step is you are squaring the unit digit number. कुछ नहीं करना, unit digit का square करते हैं. Step 2. You cross multiply. I'll move little ahead. Ma'am, kindly see here. I'll multiply unit with tens and double it. Whenever two different digits are multiplying, don't forget to double them. Whenever a single digit is squared, don't double it. So first I started with the unit digit, I started unit digit, I square it. Then I took unit digit with the tens digit. Whenever different digits are multiplying, you need to double them. Any carry will be added to this part. Then step 3. In third step, you will square the tens digit number. So what is t square? Any carry that will be added to this part. So the number will come out to be 257 square. Unit with 100. Whenever two different digits are multiplying, don't forget to double them. In between this, the tens is the number which is sandwiched between them. So I will square. It was a single digit, I will square and add with this. Any carry will be added to this part. Step 4. Unit has already come alone, then it came with tens, then it came with 100, I will cancel it. ये ऐसे ही है बचपन जवानी बुढ़ापा बचा 110 सिर्फ बेचारा. So I will double them. Why? Because two different digits are multiplying, you need to double them. The process will remain same. Add carry. In last step, step number 5, you can see the tens will also move away. You are left with 100. Square it and add the carry to this. Am I right? Any doubt in this? Yes, no? Okay. Let's take some question. It will be easy for you. I'm trying to find out 634 ka square. One request, don't write anything. Don't see here and there. Just look here and listen what I'm saying. What is 4 square? I'll write 16 ka 6. Carry is how much? 1. I'll multiply tens with the unit digit number. 4 3s are 12. 12 ka double is 24. There was a carry of 1. 25. I'll move little ahead. 6 4s are 25. 6 4s are 24. 24 ka double is 48. You remember there was a carry of 2. 6 4s are 24, double of that is 48 plus 2 is 50. But I will not forget to square it. 9. 50 plus 9 is 59. I'll write 9. How much is carry? 5. The carry will come out to be 5. I'll cancel the unit digit number now. 6 3s are 18, double of that is 36. Plus 5 is carry. 36 plus 5 is kitna? 41. 41 ka 1. Carry kitna? 4. I'll cancel this as well now. 6 square is 36 plus 4 is how much? 40. Your answer is 401956. Yes? Not good? Okay. Let's take one more number. Tell me any 3-digit number now. अरे सर बोल दो ना. 237. You are taking so much time to just say a 3-digit number. अच्छा हुआ 10 digit नहीं पूछा तो मेरे ख्याल से कल मॉर्निंग में आंसर आता हमारे पास. What is 7 square? I'll write 9. How much is carry? 4. 7 3s are 21. Double of that is 42. Plus 4 is 46. Again the carry is coming out to be 4. Now 7 2s are 14. Double of that is 28. 28 plus 4. Carry भूल ना जाऊँ इसलिए जोड़ लेता हूँ. हाँ 7 2s are 14. Double of that is 28 plus 4 is 32. 32 plus 3 square is 9. 41. I'll write 1. How much is carry? 4. Now cancel this unit digit. All 3 digits you have written. Now what is 3 2s are? 6. Double of that is 12 plus 4 16. Carry 1. Cancel this. 2 square is 4 plus 1 is kitna? 5 6 1 6 9. Is that fine? Your answer is 56 16 9. Okay. Take one more. Tell me any 3-digit number. Anyone from this? 549. Good to see. 9 square is 81. I'll write 1. How much is carry? 8. 9 4s are 36. Double of that is 72. 72 plus 8. 80. Very nice. 80 ka 0. Carry is how much? 8. 9 5s are 45. Double of that is 90. Plus 8. 98. 98 plus 16. 114. दो कम कर दो 100 हो जाएगा 98. 4 square is 16, not 64. तो 114 का क्या लिखूंगा? 4 carry 11. Cancel it now. 5 4s are 20. Double of that is 40 plus 11. 51. 1 carry कितना? 5. 5 square is 25 plus 5 is how much? 50. Your answer is कितना? Yes. Is that fine? Very nice. Now a question for you. First jot it down, then find out the square of 486, 791, 992 and your favorite 786. Okay. So let's try to find out the square of 486. Kindly see here now. What is 6 square? 3 carry. 8 6 are 48. Double of that is 96 plus 3. 99. 9 carry. 6 4 are 24. Double of that is 48 plus 9 is 57. 57 plus 64. 57 61. 121. 1 12 carry. 8 4 are 32. Yes. 8 4s are 32. Double of that is 64 plus 12. 64 plus 12 is kitna? 76. 7 carry. 4 square is 16 plus 7 is kitna? 23. Are you getting this answer? No? Yes? Very nice. What about the next one? 791 square. Look at this. 1 square is 1. 9 ones are 9. Double of that is 18 ka 8. Carry 1. 7 ones are 7. Double of that is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 plus 81. That comes out to be kitna? 96. Here you got 81 plus 86, 96. 6, 9 carry. 7 9s are 63. Double of that is 126 plus 9 is 135. 13 is carry. 7 square is 49 plus 13 is kitna? 62. Your answer is 625681. Okay. Is that fine? 992 square. I can go for the base method as well. But let's try to solve it by this way. What is 2 square? 4. Check कर लेंगे बाद में उससे बेसिक से. 9 2s are 18. Double of that is 36 का 6. 3 carry. 9 2s are 18. Double of that is 36 plus 3 is 39. 39 plus 81. 39 plus 81 is 120. 0. 12 carry. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 81 का double is 162 plus 12 is 174. 174 का 4 carry 17. Yes, 9 square is 81. 81 plus 17 is kitna? 984064. How many of you got this answer? Good. Very nice. Is that fine? 786 का भी square निकाल दे? Yes, no. What is 6 square? 36. 6, 3 carry. 8 6 are 48. Double of that is 96. 93. 96 plus 3 is 99. 9 carry. 7 6 is the 42, double of that is 84 plus 9, 93, 93 plus 64, 97, 157, 157 ka 7 carry is 15, 8 7s are 56, 56 ka double is 112 plus 15 is 127, carry is 12, 7 square is 49 plus 12 is kitna? 61. Your answer is 61 7796. Yes, no? Not good. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the next topic, that is multiplication. Can we start with a new topic? How many of you got at least 2 correct from this? At least 3 correct? All 4 correct? Good. Let's move to the next one. Again, this method is also known as the duplex method. Whenever you are multiplying a 2-digit number with another 2-digit number, what is the process that you need to follow? It is quite similar to the normal multiplication. There is no difference. The only difference is you are doing the step number 2 in your mind. Okay. So in first step, you will multiply unit with unit. So u1 into u2 is the first step. You remember in the squaring I was doing u square. Here because the unit digits are different, u1 will multiply with u2. u1 stands for unit digit of first number, u2 stands for unit digit of the second number. T1 and T2 stands for the tens digit of first and the second number respectively. Step number 2, I'll move ahead. I'll now take unit with the tens. So don't take unit with its own tens. Cross multiply these values. I will say T1 with U1 with T2 plus U2 with T1. Any carry you will never write more than a digit, that will be added here. Step 3. Now unit has already come up with the unit came with tens. I will cancel the unit digit number. I'm left with tens. T1 into T2. Any carry that needs to be added to this part. Is that fine? Yes? Okay. Before you write, just see here. Few questions I want to take. Tell me any 2-digit number, ma'am. 68. You tell me some number, ma'am. 2-digit. 52. I want to multiply these two numbers. What is 8 2s are? 16. 6. 1 carry. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 40 is how much? 53. 3. 5 carry. 6 5s are 30 plus. Kitna? 5 was carry now. So we are adding 5 to that. Any 2-digit number? 60? 64. You tell me any 2-digit. 91. Very nice. 1 4s are 4. 6 1s are 6 plus 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. 4 carry. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 4 is 58. Your answer is 5824. Is that fine? Okay. You tell me some number, my dear. 64 के अलावा भी दुनिया में नंबर है 38 और बोलो यार 97 चलो 8 7s are 56 6 5 carry 7 3s are 21 21 plus 5 is 26 26 plus 72 how much is that 98 72 plus 26 is 78 plus 20 is 98 98 का 8 9 carry 9 3s are 27 plus 9 36. Is that fine? 36 86 is your answer. Anyone at the end? Last two. 54. And your neighbor wants to give any number? 92. चलो ले लेते हैं. What is 4 2s are? 5 2s are? 10 plus 9 4s are? 36. 46. 4 carry. 9 5s are 45 plus 4. Is that fine? So kindly write down these numbers first. And there are few numbers for you. Two numbers for you. What is 8 9s are? 72. I'll write 2. 7 is carried. 9 7s are 63 plus 7. 70. 8 3s are 24. 94. 94 का 4. 9 carry. 7 3s are 21 plus 9 is 30. 3042. यही आ रहा आंसर. Okay, 9 8s are 72, 2 7 carry 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 7 is 71, 71 plus 81, 152, 152 ka 2 carry is 15, 8 9s are 72 plus 15 is 87. Yes, is this the answer that you are getting? Very nice. Now let's take a 3-digit number multiplying with another 3-digit number. Whenever you are multiplying a 3-digit number with another 3-digit number, I'll take 100, tens, and unit multiplying with S2, T2, and U2. Step 1. I'll do the same thing that I did with a 2-digit number. I will start with a unit digit, multiply that. Step 2. In second case, I'll cross multiply. T1 will be taken with U2, T2 will be taken with U1, and any carry that needs to be added to this part. Step number 3. I'll multiply 100 with unit, 100 with unit, and the middle two tens term will multiply with each other. Any carry that needs to be added to this. So in third step, what I'm doing is I take 100 with unit, I take 100 with unit, middle two terms will multiply with each other plus the carry. Step number 4. Now unit has already come with all the digits, I will cancel it. I'm left with 100 only, H1 with T2 plus H2 with T1, and any carry that needs to be added to this part. In the last step of it, in step number 5, I'll take 100 with each other. So it is H1 into H2 plus any carry will be added to this part. So take a number 463 with 597. What is 7 3s are? 21, 1 2 carry. 7 6 are 42 plus 2 is 44. 44 plus 27. 44 plus 7 is 51 plus 20 is 71. 71 ka 1 carry is how much? 7. 7 4s are 28 plus 7 is 35. 35 plus 15, 50. 50 plus 9 6 are 54. 104 carry is 10. 9 4s are 36 plus 10 is 46. 46 plus 30. 76. I'll write 76 ka 6. 7 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 7 is 27. Answer is 276411. Is that fine? Tell me any 3-digit number. Yes, my dear. 998. Very good. आपके बगल वाला भाई कौन? 329. Though I would prefer to use subtraction method here, I hope you understand that. I'll write 1000 minus 2. But let's try to solve it by multiplication. 8 times is 72, 2, 7 carry, 9 9s are 81 plus 7 is 88, 88 plus 16. 88 plus 16 is 94, 104. I'll write 4, 104 ka 4 carry is 10. 9 9s are 81 plus 10 is 91. 91 plus 24. 91 plus 4 is 95. 115. 115 plus 9 2s are 18. 133. 133 ka 3 carry kitna? 13. 9 2s are 18 plus 13 is 31. 31 plus 27. 31, 38, 58. 58 ka 8, 5 is carry. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 5, 32. Answer is 328342. Am I right? This is how you could do the multiplication. Yes? Please write down this formula and solve this. Before that, solve this. पहले नीचे वाला सॉल्व कीजिएगा फिर ऊपर वाला सॉल्व कीजिएगा घर पे जाकर ट्राई कीजिएगा 8 3s are 24 4 2 carry 6 3s are 18 plus 2 is 20 20 plus 72 is 92 2 9 carry 7 3s are 21 21 plus 9 is 30 30 plus 56 86 86 plus 9 6 are 54 86 90 plus 140 140 0 14 carry 9 7s are 63 63 77 77 14 ऐड करा 63 में तो 77 होता है 77 plus 42 79 and 119 119 का 9 carry is 11 7 7s are 49 plus 11 is 60 your answer is 609024 is this the answer yes very nice 3 1s are 3 cross multiply 3 2s are 6 ये 0 आएगा 0 into 1 is 0 so that comes out to be 6 4 3s are 12 plus 5 is 17 carry 1 This is 0. 4 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carry. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 is 21. Taken. 211763. Is this the answer? Okay. Now see here 46 के साथ कई बार आपको 78 ऐड करना पड़ जाता है. And I'm seeing what everyone is doing it on rough. नहीं कुछ नहीं करना इधर सुनो. What is 78 plus 6? Everyone can do that. 84. 84 plus 40. 80s plus 40 is 120. So can I say it is 124 directly? Yes, no. दोबारा सुनो. पहले यूनिट डिजिट जोड़ना है, फिर टेंस डिजिट जोड़ना है. आपने कहा नहीं सर 48 with 57 जोड़ के दिखाना जरा. तो 48 plus 7 is 55 plus 50 is 105. खत्म. किसी ने कहा नहीं सर 98 plus 87 जोड़ना. 98 plus 7 is क्या 105. 105 plus 80 is 185. So you can easily do this addition thing, but you need to first add the unit digit and then do the addition with the tens digit. Is that fine? Sure. Thank you. Sufficient for today. Any doubt you can ask.